Newly launched mobile phone Poco C61. For today's video, I'm going to talk about this mobile phone and its specification and its review. So let's start the video. We have seen under the box what's under it, and now let's talk about the phone color and designs. Look at the radiant ring with high quality glass at the back. As you can look at this phone, it's very classy with diamond dust black in color that I ordered this. I buy this Poco C61 under 5,999. Now let's check. Display size 17.4 centimeter and 6.71 inch. You can say HD plus 90 Hz display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Now let us know about these mobile phone side buttons on the sides. So in this side, upper side, you can see here is the charging point and even the speaker. And in this side you are getting this volume button and power button. So in this side you can see here it's charging point and the mic point. Now let's check in this side. Here is to insert the SIM, and if you want to know the SIM, then you can insert dual SIM. Okay friends, here is the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor you are getting on the side. Okay friends, so now let's know about the camera. Main camera here 8 megapixel and front camera you will get 5 megapixel. Let us click some photos. We need to check the quality of this mobile phone camera. So here you can see videos, photo, portrait and time lapse, many options, but let us click some photos and check the photos. Okay, if you want to know about the slow motion, so you are not getting the option of the slow motion. So here is the some photos that I have captured and it look very clear and amazing. I just love it. As you can see, here is the some dust. Okay, in the flower you will find here the dust also. Even it's not micro shot, but it's good. I just love the camera. Even under the video also I just love it. Even front and back it's good camera. Okay, so if you want to know about the sound quality, then here I just record some, I want to play some sounds, okay, from the YouTube. So let's hear out the song. Friends, you will find speaker on this outside here. I'll show you. Here is the speaker, the line speaker on the screen. There is two speaker on the upward and here on the side. Okay, if I just pause the speaker, the song will hear only little bit, and if you hear just move out the finger, then the sound is good. So friends, if you want to know about even the video quality, then here you can check out the video quality. Really, I just love the quality. You can zoom in, even you can zoom out. See, look at this tiger mustache. Okay, it's you can even zoom like this. So if you want to know about the quality, then let's check under the settings. I just move out the setting, then tap on quality, then let's check to advanced. Then here you are getting only 2K 1080p. So let's tap on 1080p. When I click on 1080p here, under the 1080p also it's very good. Okay, it's not it's not buffering. Okay, so it's good. Even the quality also. The storage or the RAM here is 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, which is expandable to 1 TB, and virtual RAM you will get to 4 GB. And let's talk now about the battery. So battery, as you can look out, the battery is 5000 mAh, and the adapter you will get is 10 watt, and type C charger you will get in this phone. About the dimensions, weight you will get 76.3 mm, height 168.4 mm, depth 8.3 mm, weight 199 gram. So now let's talk about the operating system. It's 14, brand MediaTek, and processor core is octa-core Helio MH processor. And mainly in this mobile phone, I want to tell you that this mobile phone it's locked with Airtel prepaid, so you can use this mobile phone with only SIM card Airtel. And yeah, there is without the lock also, but you have to 5 extra money. So I buy this the lock phone, I mean lock prepaid, so that I cannot pay extra money. That's why I choose this. Which one you want to buy, you can choose it. So friends, hope this specification and feature about this mobile phone is helpful. And friends, if you loved your video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.